Hi everybody, it's Leonise. I've just received a package that I did not order. So I believe this is a rack and it is from Jane, who is Alter Junkie here on YouTube. So it's right here. Move this over. Look how cute. And she wrote, "Happy Mail." So I have not opened this, just a tiny bit, and I did kind of peek in, but I figured I should just be filming this. So, here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, this time I'm taking everything out one by one. If I can. Oh, I love this bling. Well, this one here that I recognize, but look. Oh, Jane. Look how cute. Wow. Oh, cool. Black. This is awesome. I can't believe you, Jane. Oh, look. How cute this tape is. Some glitter. Oh, look, a little, a chipboard album. That's so cute. Got some fun eyelash trim. So soft. Oh boy. Okay. How cute this tape is. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, it's flocked. Nice. Oh, there's a lot of goodies here. Rub-ons. Some bling. Colored bling. Oh. Nice. Those are the Teardrops Rain Dots. Some tags. Wow, Jane. Look how cute. Ooh, I love these. Different envelopes. Nice. Oh, look how cool. All these different embellishments. I love it. Love, 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 love. Look how cute these little umbrellas. Okay, I'll do that after. I love these bags. They're so cute. Wow, Jane, oh my gosh. I love bling trim. Thank you. These are great for making flowers. Awesome. Oh. Jane, I feel like I've seen some of these that you might have used. I'm not sure. You made some flowers with those, I believe. Oops, sorry. Oh wow, you have sent so many things. Wow. This bag is so cute. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Oh, so pretty. I have these metal filigrees. Oh, some brads. Awesome. Awesome, awesome stuff. Wow, Jane, oh my gosh. I hope I'll be able to finish this in one take. Jane, thank you so much. Oh, look. I love this. So stinking cute. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, nice. Is this an ATC, Jane? It's gorgeous. Wow. That's so pretty. This is dressed on the edges. This is so cute. Oh, how pretty. Oh, this is awesome. How pretty these are. Awesome. Thank you so much. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look, some more glitter. Awesome. Oh. We have a card. How cute. Sorry guys, one sec. Oh, thank you so much. At the end she put, if you wish, you can always pass any of it on to someone else. Thank you for that. And oh my gosh, this was awesome. Oh my gosh. Welcome to Paris. This is a Prima 6x6 paper pad. Oh my gosh. Okay, see if I can show you guys. I love it. I've never seen this. It's gorgeous. I love Paris. Love. That's so awesome. You are so awesome. This is the last bag here. So cute. Look at that. Crocheted lace. Beautiful. So tiny. Dainty. Awesome. Some ribbon. Ooh. It's cute. Another, oh, this is an adhesive one. Very nice. Sorry about that, got cut off on that last part. Look at how gorgeous this ribbon is. So pretty. And I wanted to show these. I hadn't noticed. These pearls, they say love on them. They're so cute. And this is a brad. I love brads. This is also a brad. And these pieces here. So pretty. So Jane, thank you so, so much. This was super generous and very sweet of you. I love everything. And I know you had mentioned that you were thinking of sending something. You totally did not have to. I appreciate it. I love it. Thank you so much. It was so funny because my husband was on his way out the door, and just as I was shutting the door, he's like, wait, wait. And he hands me this package that was waiting outside. So I was like, for me? But yeah, it was awesome. Thank you so, so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.